Hey, welcome again to my video. Topic for today is quadratic equation. So, quadratic equation may formula siya na b plus or minus 4ac over etc. Pero dito sa itong problem, we can use only by factoring. So, pag nakakita nyo kayo ng squared, okay, that is quadratic equation. No? So, solution is only factoring. So, i-factor natin yung x squared plus 5x. So, dito x, dito x. So, 5, para maging negative 5 siya is, dito, pwedeng 2 or 3. Okay, so, tama. 2 plus 3 is 5. 2, negative 2 times negative 3 is 6, tama. So, x is equals, x minus 2 is equals to dapat 0. So, what is x? X is dapat positive 2, no? Para maging 0 siya. So, ang isa naman na x minus 3 is equals to 0. So, dapat ang x maging 0. So, x is positive 3, no? Ito na yan. So, x is equals to 2 and another x is equals to 3. Ito lang ang answer. Okay? So, easy lang. Thank you guys for watching. I hope na nakakatulong yung mga video ko sa inyo, lalo na sa mga nag-aaral. This is for you, and this is for free. Thank you guys.